Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn a picture's name. This is a tree. T-R-E-E tree. This is a elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T elephant. This is a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey. This is a I. E-Y-E I. This is a cup. C-U-P cup. This is a glass. G-L-A-S-S S-S glass. This is a cap. C-A-P cap. This is a fan. F-A-N fan. This is a pen. P-A-N pen. This is a van. V-A-N van. This is a box. B-O-X box. This is a ball. B-A-L-L B-A-L-L ball. This is an umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. This is a top. T-O-P top. This is a table. T-A-B-L-E table. This is a fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S fingers. This is a watch. W-A-T-C-H watch. This is a zip. Z-I-P zip. This is a star. S-T-A-R star. This is a sun. S-U-N sun. This is a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock. This is a duck. D-U-C-K duck. This is a hen. H-E-N hen.